Hey guys, quick tutorial on the new Twitter Citation and Link Monster 2022 Elite Edition. And the main difference we have here is that we have this project setting. So to add a new project, just type in the name of the project, test add, and there it is there. And then you progress on to add your content like before. So I'll go to an existing project, and the beauty of this is, before we added projects, you can run a project, but if you wanted to run a different project, you need to delete all this data and then add all the new data for a different project. Now you can save the content is all saved, so you can just swap between projects. Pretty simple. Now the next thing I'd like to talk about, I'll put that back. When you add Twitter accounts to this software, do them individually. So you add your Twitter login, the phone number that came with it, the email address, and the password. Put that account in the software and then run it to make sure it works. What I've seen in support is people adding a whole bunch of accounts in one go, and then if one of them's got an issue, the software will not work on that account, obviously. So you only want Twitter accounts in this list that you know work, so you put them in individually, run the software with your project, make sure it works, boom, it's finished. And then add another account and test to make sure it works. Additionally, when you buy new Twitter accounts, you need to open them in a browser on the same PC or VPS that you're running the software on once in the browser, and because it's a different IP address, that will trigger a confirmation. And typically you need to add your confirmation email that came with your Twitter account, put it in, and then you're good to go. Then add it to the software, run the software, run that Twitter account through an existing project, make sure it's all working. Once you've proven it's working, then add your second account. Do them individually, and that will make your experience of using the software down the track the same as mine. We have all these accounts that you know work, and then you can load up as many as you like. Click next. I've already added the content. Next. Actually, I'll just go back. Also, we use spin tags in the description and the title. Some people are asking about that. So each time you use a different Twitter account, you are presenting Twitter with a different tweet than the one that was created previously. Okay, that's it. Also, one more thing, make sure the name of the folder that you put the images in does not have any spaces. So typically I'll just call it images, or images product name, project name. So keep it simple, no spaces in any of the directories that you store the images in, and that will help the software find it more easily. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.